Okay guys, welcome back to another Scrapping Irish video. What have I got in store with you for, well, what have I got in store with you? What have I got in store for you, more like it? Well, I've been getting a lot of people asking, what is the story with the shed? How is it coming along, this shed I'm building for my, as you can see in me, I'm smirking here, because I'm just thinking about it, but how it's coming along. So, best way of showing you how it's coming along, besides me trying to explain it on my lives, where I am, what stage I'm at it, is to show you. Weather's been crap, so I haven't got much done. Not been able to do any gold recovery outside because of the weather. So I've done this video to show you what progression I've got on the shed. So why don't we go outside and check it out? And before that, sure, why not subscribe if you're not a subscriber to the channel? There will be gold recovery videos coming. There will be more breakdown videos coming. And hopefully a completed shed coming at some stage. So let's go and have a look and see how I've got on so far on the shed. And it's not a huge shed, but go have a look for yourself. See you out there. Right, as I was saying, I'll give you a look at the progress of the shed and why I need to build another shed, of course. So this is why I need to build another shed. As you can see, I had this cleared at one stage and now I'm filled right to the brim again with stuff that needs to be sorted and stuff I never got around to sorting. You know, so, and again, in these bins, so we have plugs and stuff like that in there. We still have all this crap here that needs to be sorted out. The weather has been rubbish, as I was saying. Still got that there for pop scrap. So pop scrap, if you're watching, I still have that here for you. Over here, we still have all that cable that needs to be sorted out. We have bins again. So let's have a look, see what we have in these bins. So in here, that's just plastic actually, that can be got rid of now. That's where I broke down some power supplies. So that can be got rid of. In this bin, load of cable. In this bin, more stuff that needs to be broken down yet. In this bin, this is like an e-waste mic video. So Christmas lights, cable, every sort of rubbish. More bins buried in under here with stuff in them. So for example, more cable. That's in here. Move this timber out of the way. Sorry guys if it's shaky and messy, but it's just an update video. So it's just to show people, because a few people are asking how is the shed coming along. So this is the cans that I was collecting up to maybe melt at some stage. Can't even get into that one, it's buried underneath there, and there's another two in behind that. So they is one of the reasons I need to get fire extinguishers. This is Ian Matthews' fault, of course. When I found out there was brass in them, I can't let fire extinguishers go. Part of a printer that needs to be got rid of. So then we come around here, and this is the shed. So from the last video, it hasn't stopped raining about the shed, so we're still in the progress of doing it. So in here I've all boards, so tons and tons of boards that need to be sorted. Again, not much done since. We've just put up a support there, which I hope to run the rafting boards off there for the sheeting to go on top of. So that's, at least that's out of the way and done. That was the awkward bit. So that's done there. This side is still done, but I still haven't fully cladded it because I need to get to the top. As you can see, the cladding goes to there but stops here and needs to go all the way up. So we need to clad the rest of that. Pallets are not put up on this side yet, so that needs to be done. The drains are not done yet. Concrete is done out as far as them, but the drain needs to be put down there. What else? Yeah. And again, the flooring has to be all swept out now. Then the pallets will go down, the plastic pallets on this flooring, and then rubber mats over that. Need to waterproof all the outside so water can't come in underneath. So I'm concreting and putting down a membrane on the outside to stop water coming in underneath. Let me see. So this is just the other side of that cladding. So you can see it all along here. So you can see the blue plastic pallets over there. So that's going to be partly making up my flooring, I hope, that I don't need to concrete the whole lot. Again, I might need to maybe pour a level concrete base, because it is higher back here than it is at the front, but that mightn't be a major issue. So I need to get a support up across here and need to clear all that junk over there, get into them bins and get all that cable done as well. So there is a lot of work to be done yet. So the drain is going to be dug all the way down here, it's going to be dug across this concrete here, and it's going to be dug into that drain hole there. So that's where the water is going to go. So saw's there for cutting the timber, and as you can see, today is just a cloudy day. The rain is not too far away, but the main problem is in here. This shed needs to be cleared out, and the only way I'm going to do it is build the other shed and start taking bits out of here, but only taking out and stripping, not storing. So I'll take it from here, strip it in the other shed and break it down into smaller until I have everything cleared from here, and try, I do stress the word try, not to collect much more stuff in the meantime, because I just don't have any room for it. Now I know Pop Scrap has stuff kept for me, which is good. I'll take that stuff off him, but I won't be going around looking for stuff as much, because I also have a lot of plug soup to do, but I'll show you that in another video at some stage. So you can see there's more actual boards here. So this is definitely like an e-waste Mike video, or a Ian Williams, I was going to say Ian Matthews video, where the shed is a total mess and stuff like that. So you can see where I was doing acid work a while back. That's just left there, not finished, and still more glassware in there that I need to get out and clean. Speaker wire, copper wire. There's an actual, that's part of a vacuum that needs to be taken apart. Yeah, so that's kind of the update of the video, guys. So I just said I'd give a quick update, 10-minute video probably. It'll work out at about 10 minutes in total, of what the progression is to done. So there's even a microwave here that needs to be taken apart yet. So yeah, them bins need to be, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. One of them is just plastic that needs to be dumped into the recycling. 4 there. I think there's another 4 there, which is 8. And a what you call there. So again, we've all magnetrons from microwaves and stuff like that there that need to be sorted. Hard drive, or not, disk drives, some more boards, some batteries, acid. Yeah, so it's an absolute mess out in here. So I need to definitely clear it out and get rid of all them pallets as well when the weather improves. Break them down for timber, for burning for next year, for next winter. I can use them for lighting the fire. I even see a copper transformer in the back there. So, and of course a monitor that everyone everyone hates. Never mind that bad language. Radiator here for Pop Scrap if it's any good to him. That's it, guys. So thanks for watching the video, the update video, and hopefully the next time we do an update video on the shed, we might have a roof on it, hopefully, and a couple of sides. Hopefully. Depends on weather. Not looking good at the moment. Bye bye. Okay guys, so I thought that was the end of the video, but it wasn't the end of the video, because I got a little bit of help, and I started doing a bit more work on the shed. So look at this, we have nearly a back wall complete. So we got a little bit more work done, so that'll be hopefully where I'll have my bench running from there all the way over into this corner. So so I got some of the side wall done with the pallets. So we have some of the side wall put into place with the pallets. Let me go back so you can get a better look at it. So you can see here now we have some of the pallets put into place. Just need to up to there and over and down. So we got that. I need to paint the house as well this year. So yeah, so it's only that bit at the top to go across, and then we'll be ready to put the roof on. So that's good. I got a lot more done than I was expecting to have done in that video for you. So there you go, guys. So you can see I am not, and it still hasn't rained, and actually there is an attempt of sunshine trying to come out, but it won't in this weather. But yeah, so there we go. Back wall nearly cladded to the top, side wall over here nearly cladded to the top, and I can start cladding this wall in along here up to at least the size of the pallets. So that's good progression. Quite happy with that. Have a lot of waste timber here that I'm going to try and use somewhere in the cladding of it. And yes, I do know there's a bit of a slant here, but that's because, as you see here with my concrete, there's a bit of a slant down here, which I will fill in with concrete on the outside to waterproof it. So and again, that'll be all insulated inside of that, and another timber boards put inside of that, some ply probably in the inside of that. So that should give me a good insulation in the shed. And again, we'll fill inside of here with insulation. And yeah, so there's the bonus part of the video. So if I pull back out here and give you a right look. So, sorry, finger in the way. And there you go. We're getting there. I hope you like my step ladders. That's what I've been using as a step ladder for the moment. But now I'm going to need to get a bigger step ladder because we're up to the next levels. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, as always, appreciate it. And please give a like and a follow, and we'll hopefully start breaking stuff down soon enough. In a month or two in this shed, we should be ready to start breaking stuff down. So next week video or 2 weeks time, should be back to maybe taking something apart, or maybe if the weather's good, we should be outside doing maybe a bit of gold recovery. And if not, we may be doing some shed work. So we'll see where we are.